P30 digital power supply D210 soldering iron usage tutorial. Unpack the soldering iron accessories package. To PCS soldering tip, 1 PC dormant cable, 1 PC dormant base, 1 PC D210 handle. Adjust the sleep base to a suitable angle. Connect one end of the sleep cable to the sleep base and the other end to the P30 digital power supply. Connect the soldering handle D210 to the P30 power supply. Take out the D210 soldering tip. There are 3 small holes on the dormant base. 10 represents D210, 45 represents D245 soldering iron tip. Insert the D210 soldering iron tip into the hole 10, and then forcefully insert the handle into the soldering iron tip. This installation method can prevent the temperature from being too high and scalding your hands. After the soldering iron tip is installed, lift the handle and it will automatically heat up. Lift the handle to heat up, and put it on the sleep base to start sleep. The sound can be turned off or on in the parameter settings. Now we conduct a temperature test, and we can see that the tuning is smooth, and both large and small solder joints will automatically compensate for the temperature. Have you learned it? Thanks for watching.